The U.S. Supreme Court on Tuesday appeared ready to side with a challenge to a Colorado law banning psychotherapists from conducting so-called conversion therapy that aims to change a minor's sexual orientation or gender identity. The nation's top court has a 6-3 conservative majority, and questions posed by its conservative justices during arguments in the case signaled their sympathy toward Christian license counselor Kaylee Childs, who says the law violated her First Amendment-protected right to free speech. In one exchange, Colorado Solicitor General Shannon Stevenson told the justices that the 2019 law regulates conduct, not speech. She argued that states should not lose their longstanding power to restrict harmful treatments in healthcare, quote, just because they are using words. Conservative Chief Justice John Roberts then pushed back on that assertion.
Counsel, you said, just because they're using words. But our cases separate those out. Holder, NIFLA, in other words, just because they're engaged in conduct doesn't mean that their words aren't protected.
At another point, conservative Justice Samuel Alito seemed to embrace Charles's claim that Colorado's law aims to marginalize views the state dislikes. On the one hand, allowing therapists to help a person feel comfortable about being gay, and on the other, barring them from helping a patient who seeks to end or lessen their same-sex attraction. Alito said that looked like, quote, blatant viewpoint discrimination. Medical groups such as the American Psychological Association cite studies showing the practice has been associated with harms, including an increased likelihood of transgender minors running away from home or attempting suicide. The case gives the court's conservative majority another opportunity to elevate the interests of a conservative Christian litigant at the expense of protections for LGBT people. A ruling is expected by the end of June.